Step into the 2007 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you